Alright guys, I'm gonna floss open this lock right here. Watch this. I'm gonna take some floss. Already pulled out. Put it in the lock. Okay. Let's try to let's see. Can it be done? Can you floss a lock open? I can hear the pins moving in there. I heard a couple pins set in there, I'm pretty sure. But I can hear it dropping out too. No way! I picked it open! The pins fell out, but I did it!